Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to Parvez Vlog. So today I will be showing you guys how to cook pulao in very jhorjhore way using a microwave oven. Okay, so the ingredients you will need. Okay, I have missed one ingredient. That is this. So the ingredients you will need, that is first pulao rice, that chini gura rice. The quantity should be this is a teacup. Okay, so the quantity should be 1 full cup and another half cup, that means 1.5 cup of chini gura rice. Okay, there then you will need some elachi. Okay, so I will take the more elachi. Yeah, okay, I have dropped one. So the more elachi you will add, the more the flavor will be. So here I will be taking 4 of them. So okay, that's it. So now I need, this one is very tight. So this is, as you can see, this is tezpata, whatever the English name of it, I don't know. So you will be taking 2 or 3 of them. So and you need to wash them. Okay, and this is Chinese shobji, Chinese vegetable my mom sent from no, my mom cooked it here using this. Okay, I have a full kitchen here in my Kumilla home, and this is the very special roast my mom makes. So now you add the tezpatas into it. You don't need to rip up, you don't need to make small pieces of them, cause it will be a hazard when you will be removing them. So now you need all you need to there are 2 more items you need, that is daruchini. So I don't have any daruchini, and so I can't add it, but you guys, if you have it, you will you just simply add it. Now the main part is the salt. So how much salt you will add, that depends entirely up to you. So I am adding a little bit, only a little bit. Now you will need to add ghee. So I find I have almost emptied it and gained Pran premium ghee. Okay, so you will be pouring it carefully. So and the part here, I don't want to waste a drop of it, because it cost nearly 1100 taka for only 900 gram. So okay, and that's all. You have added all the ingredients. Now what you will add is water. Let me keep the ghee first. Yeah, if you don't have ghee, don't worry, you can just use oil. So I will not recommend this rice bran oil, because this one has no smell. So if you guys use oil, use soybean. Okay, so now the crucial part is how much water you will be adding. So I have taken 1.5 cup of it. So with 1.5 cup, that would be enough for 2 plates, 2 medium plate of pulao. So for 1.5 cup of rice, I am adding full 1 cup of water, and then another cup. So total 2 cup of waters. Okay, so that's done. Now you just nurture it a little bit, mix the ingredients and make sure nothing is on the side. That is not a very big problem. So that is done. So I'm going to throw away the spoon because I am not going to be needing it anymore. So now just cover it and put it in microwave oven. So with one hand, that is, my microwave oven is open, so I'm going to just put it here. So yeah, while using microwave, you'll be very careful because you have to put it right in the middle. So I have put it right in the middle. So now you close the cover and put the microwave oven to full power, and then you just give it 7 minutes. Okay, so the timing varies upon your microwave oven, varies depending upon your microwave oven. So my one is 800 watt, which is output 800 watt but input is 1200 watt, and it is EcoPlus microwave oven from LG Butterfly Group, and it is solo microwave oven, and it will cost you only 6000 taka if you pay in cash, not on what it is called kisti. So with only 6000 taka you can get this microwave oven, and you can very rough use it, but you will be missing the grill function, the which we never actually use ever, and you will be missing another function that is convection mode, but that if you need it for making cakes, bakery items, then you can buy an electric oven for only how much it, they usually cost 2.5 to 3.5, that means 2.5 to 3.5k. That means that you will get a decent electric oven in 3500 taka. So if you plan on a complete microwave setup, I will suggest you to buy this oven with an electric oven, and if you don't need an electric oven, you buy this one, because you will be able to very rough use it. So now we have to wait 7 minutes until there is a slight bubble inside the slight bubble. You can see slight bubbles, that means the water is boiling and there is bubble inside the whatever it inside the pot, inside the glass container. And I have used microwave oven cooking proof glassware, so you have to buy that too, and this one cost me 900 taka, and I was lucky enough because I was able to buy only single piece. Usually you have to buy 3 pieces of them. So I am going to pause this video and wait until this 4 minutes is over. Okay. Okay, so that was pretty fast. I can see the bubbles already, and 1 minute is left. So now you wait a little bit to see more bubbles. No, that is enough. So now all you do is take the power to medium low level and set the timer to 15 minutes and wait 15 minutes. So I will be pausing the video again. So guys, there is only 3 minutes left, so I will repeat the whole process for you once again, because just like Dr. Najib sir, he repeats 3 times, but I am not going to be too much elaborative, so I will repeat the process just once for you guys. So you keep the from the beginning, you will take you will use a teacup to measure the amount of rice. Okay. Okay, so you will take 1.5 cup of rice, preferably chashi chinigura rice from ACI. That is the best I have found. So you will take 1.5 cup, then you will rinse it thoroughly with water. That means clean it thoroughly with water, just 2 times, not more than 2 times, because you don't need to clean it 5 or 6 times. So after cleaning it, you will add the ingredients, that means masala and etc into it. So the ingredients are, you will be adding 3 or 4 elachi, 1 or 2 daruchini if you have it. I didn't have daruchini, so I couldn't add it. My mom finished it while cooking a few days ago. Then you will add the last, there are 3 more ingredients. Then you will add 2 or 3 tezpata into it. Make sure you wash the tezpata before adding. Then you will add 1 or 2 teaspoon of sorry, not 1, at least 2 tablespoon of ghee, preferably plant premium ghee, into it, and then you will add salt as much as you need, and then you will add water, and the water amount is 2 cup. The same cup you measured the rice, you will use the same cup and add 2 cup of water into it. The amount of pulao you will be making should be enough for 2 people. Okay, so now I am in the last minute, so I will just turn up the heat to high. So you can choose not to do it, but if you do it, the rice will be a little bit more jhorjhore. So while it finish, while you wait for it to finish, it will finish soon. So let's wait. And another advice, while heating something oily or watery, in especially oily in your microwave oven, you can use this kind of something to cover the plate. Okay, so that way the oily thing won't spread around and make your oven dirty. So you can see my oven is pretty clean because I used that one, and last time I have washed it, it was 2 months ago. So the pulao is ready now, so I have to take it out, and it is very hot. So I will be pausing the video again. Okay, so here guys, it is done, and you can see how much jhorjhore it is by the look of it. So okay, that's it for today. I will be eating it now after saying my Jahar prayer. I have not been saying Jumma for the entire Corona period because of avoiding the risk, you know. So you guys should too, but as a Muslim I can't recommend you. So that's it, and subscribe to my channel. I will be adding a lot more videos in the near future about cooking and IT stuff and many more things. So stay safe because it's Corona second wave, and many people are getting affected. So our dear honorable Dr. Saim sir from pathology department, he was doing RT-PCR in he was in charge of RT-PCR lab in Kumilla Medical College, the only RT-PCR lab in this area. So he is affected now with COVID-19, and Dr. Sujit sir, one of my most favorite teachers of Kumilla Medical College, he is also affected and in isolation. So guys, please be careful because it's second wave, and wear mask and be careful as much as possible. Stay at home as much as possible. Okay, thank you guys.